Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use Philips 66. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a resource of analysis and understanding. It got the following characteristic. It is a dynamic tool where people must speak for 6 minutes in teams, which is based on dividing a group of social gathering into subgroups of 6 people and make them discuss about a specific topic. Finally, you get a general idea of the conclusion of each group. Allows the participant of all members of the group develop the system of capacity. A coordinator and a secretary must be elected in each subgroup. Each member should be given 1 minute to make their ideas or opinions. This resource is used in the empathy or tasting stages in a project that is being developed with the design thinking and agile methodologies. Well, Philips 66 is a very useful tool. It helps you a lot, especially when you have big groups. Of course, you don't have to use this if you are working with a small group, but if you can have enough people to recollect information, it's extremely important. So the first thing is that you need to know the postures and the opinions. That is the main purpose of the exercise. You need to pick a moderator, and of course he will be the one who will be guiding the activity. You need to have a specific topic, especially when you are developing Philips 66 for testing. That is very helpful because it will allow you to know exactly what people are thinking. And of course you need to analyze the information and have a clear idea of what you are doing. So the first thing is organize the groups of 6 people. You will have 6 groups of 6 people. So of course you need 36 people. Then you need to, in each one of the 6 groups, assign the role. Who will be the secretary? The secretary will give turns and of course will take notes. Then each one of the person will have 6 minutes to speak and start the debate. The idea is speak one at the time, and the secretary, of course, will be collecting all the information. Then the secretaries share results of the cluster. It means that the 6 secretaries will get together and show the results of their topics of their groups. Then the moderator give one general conclusion. That is very important because you will have like 6 small focus group, and each one of them they will debate and they will talk about what you want to know, and the moderator will put everything together. Of course, the role of the secretary is very important. The idea is that with that conclusion you could have a partial solution or a complete solution, an action, a specific action, or a reflection about whatever you are testing or whatever you're trying to understand, and to have a clear idea of what the people are thinking. Of course, you could have like a specific subject of whatever you want to put. This is very good because um, you need to have like a clear idea of what do you want to find out before you put everyone together. Have 36 people is not easy. However, it will help you a lot if you could have like everyone together. Uh, of course, you will need to have a good resource and incentive so people get to participate in this. As a conclusion, we can say that this tool works very good with large groups when you need to know the opinion of many people very quick. Success in using this tool is in the rigor they have to follow the structure. That is something very important. You need to follow instructions and uh, keep yourself in time and follow the directions of the secretary and the moderator. The resource generates unified a concept or opinion form fast and very well put together. So that's very important because this tool could help you a lot. But of course, use it when you have enough people and when you want to find out something very specific, especially for testing. I consider that is very helpful tool. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video you can find the link. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.